Hey everyone, so I've been working while on this one getting cleaned and this one here. So got the forks cleaned up, front wheel mostly cleaned up, and most of it is put back together, yeah, to some extent. Still have some parts here that I need to finish up. I'll probably do that tomorrow. The motor's in, the motor mounts are on there. They're not tight, that way I can adjust it later. The torque converter over here, I still need to get that out and clean it all up and polish it. Pretty much every part of it. Let's see. So everything's looking pretty good. Pretty darn good. And the gas tank is all done up, clear coated. Of course, you know, as usual, you can't really see the glitter on it. Oh, there we go. And then the side cover for the bike, which goes right here, that is almost complete. I'll clear coat it tomorrow. And let's see, then this bike here, I went through it and wiped it all down. It's looking pretty decent. Had to give it a good cleaning because wow, it was covered in dust. It really was. It was pretty covered. So that one's come out pretty good. So and of course I'll probably change out this back tire because it's a golf cart turf tire, so I think it's going to wear out pretty quick. So yeah, there we go. I'll keep you guys updated on the progress and all that. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will talk to y'all later.